Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can turn off your iPhone in 4 easy steps. So the first step we have here is you have the volume button here on the left side of your phone, and you have the power button on the right side of your phone. What you need to do is you need to press your volume button up and keep holding the power button, and same for the volume button down. So this is the first step to turn off your iPhone, so I'm doing it. That's how the screen will come. I have pressed the volume button up and keep holding the power button, and screen of this like come up. Now I'm doing for the volume button down option, and I'll repeat the process. Okay, the same thing happens again. So that's how I slide down and the iPhone get turned off. Another way to do this is you just need to go to the settings, and under settings you need to go to the general option here, and under general option you need to swipe up, and on the bottom of the section there is a shutdown button. You need to tap on it and it will show you that option. You can just slide down and it will turn off your phone. Another way in iOS 18 you can do or turn off your phone by just swiping on the right side of your phone, and you see that there is a power button on the top right corner. You just need to tap on it. It's a sensor, and if you keep holding it, it will ask you if you can if you wanted to just turn off your phone, and that's how you can actually turn off your phone from here. So the final and the least or the last option you can turn off your phone is by just asking to the Siri. For example, hey Siri, turn off my phone. You see that there is an option here. It is asking for confirmation. If I just press the power off button, it actually turn off my phone. So that's how you can actually turn off your phone, or actually that's how the 4 tips and tricks for an iPhone. I hope this video helps out in turning off your phone and increasing your experience to your iPhone. Until next video, bye bye.